Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail.
First question, what is the maturity period for senior citizen savings scheme? And the options are 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 2 years. Correct answer is option 2, 5 years. Next, which of the following is an investment advisory discipline? Options, offshore banking, corporate industrial finance, wholesale banking, wealth management. Correct answer is option 4, wealth management. Next, the Kisan credit card scheme is being implemented by which of the following? Options, all of the following: regional rural banks, public sector commercial bank, state cooperative bank like DCBS, PACS and scheduled primary cooperative banks. Correct answer is option 1, all of the following. Next, which of the following banks have become the first bank to join SHIFT, Global Payments Initiative? Options, option 1, ICICI and HDFC Bank. Second option, IndusInd Bank and SBI. Third option, Axis Bank and ICICI. And fourth option, PNB and Federal Bank. Correct answer is option 3, Axis Bank and ICICI. Next, by crossing we mean options, 2 lines across the check making X. Second option, 2 transferred parallel lines on a check. Third one straight line across the check. And fourth option, 2 horizontal lines on a check. Correct answer option 2, 2 transferred parallel lines on a check. Next, when banks accept a fixed sum of money from an individual for a definite term and pay on maturity with interest, the deposit is known as options, demand deposit, mortgage, term deposit, bond. Correct answer, term deposit. Next, which of the following can be categorized as a merchant banking service? Options, managing mergers, advance in capital structure, all of the following, consultancy on finance to a company. Correct answer, all of the following. Next, RBI has imposed a fine of ₹1 crore on which of the following banks for flouting bill discounting norms? And the options are UCO Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, United Bank of India, Syndicate Bank. Correct answer is option 1, UCO Bank. Next, demand draft is which instrument? Quasi negotiable instrument. Option 2, non-transferable instrument. Option 3, negotiable instrument. And fourth, not negotiable instrument. Correct answer option 3, negotiable instrument. Next, Kaiza Bank has been headquartered in which of the following? Options, Spain, South Africa, United Kingdom, Singapore. Correct answer option 1, Spain. Next, which is incorrect with regard to the powers of RBI? Options, supervises banking system through inspection. Second, none of the following. Third, controls banking system through licensing. Third, holds cash reserve bank. Correct answer is option 2, none of the following. Next. Recently, LG Softcom received a license for RBI to set up which of the following? Options: semi-open wallet, closed wallet, semi-closed wallet. Correct answer is option 4, semi-closed wallet. Next. When there is a difference between all receipts and expenditure of the Government of India, both capital and revenue, it is called. And the options: zero budgeting, budgetary deficit, revenue deficit, trade gap. Correct answer is option 2, budgetary deficit. Next. The seed capital of Bharati Mahila Bank is: options 100 crores, 1000 crores, 500 crores, 5000 crores. Correct answer is option 2, 1000 crores. Next. Who is primarily liable on a check? Answer. Options are drawee banker, drawer, collecting banker, payee. Correct answer is option 2, drawer. Next. NBFCs consist of: options hire purchase finance company and mutual benefit finance company. Second option, collection of funds from a larger of investors. Third option, equipment leasing company and investment company. Fourth, none of the above. Correct answer is option 4, none of the above. Next. Lack of access to financial services is technically known as: options financial instability, financial inclusion, financial stability, financial exclusion. Correct answer is option 4, financial exclusion. Next. The Reserve Bank of India imposed how much penalty on Bank of Baroda in the alleged rupees 6,000 crores forex related irregularities that came to light in October last year? Options: 6.2 crore, rupees 5 crore, rupees 5.5 crore, rupees 7 crore. Correct answer is option 2, rupees 5 crore. Next. Crossing denotes: options that the check will be paid through clearing only. Second option, a direction to the paying bank to make payment of the check through a bank. Third option, that the check cannot be transferred by the payee named therein. Fourth option, that the check will not be paid across the counter but will be credited to the account of the holder. Correct answer option 2, a direction to the paying bank to make payment of the check through a bank. Next question. Which of the following private banks has signed an agreement with Reliance Jio Money for one-click payment service? Options: Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Correct answer is option 2, Federal Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.